to Camus World! Hi everyone, I received a package from the brand Wolkensohle. I want to say thank you to the brand for sending me a pair of their comfortable slippers. What makes Wolkensohle so special? Discover their unbeatable prices on their slippers available exclusively on their Wolkensohle website and Amazon. How often have you wanted to finally take off your slippers after a long day and just put on your aching feet up? Imagine what it feels like to put on the soft Wolkensohle and walk on clouds. Every step you take is cushioned and relaxed by the 4.5 cm thick sole footbed. Instant relaxation for your tired feet. Thanks to their high-quality EVA platform sole, their cloud soles are not only comfortable but also completely free of BPA and harmful additives. The EVA material makes the Wolkensohles particularly elastic and breathable. Cloud soles represent health and pure relaxation for your feet. All models are particularly soft and extremely comfortable. The ergonomic shape and the thick EVA sole support the natural gait. They relieve foot and joint pain. It is water resistant, which is perfect for your summer vacation, suitable for the beach, bath, and pool. It is extra non-slip sole for a comfortable and secure grip. Since it's breathable, you can wear them anywhere all day long without sweating. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do check their website. I'm going to leave the link in the description down below. And let me know if ever you've tried this brand, and let me know what do you think of it. Until next time, bye!